Hello. Hello, Wildcats. My name's Pat Killeran, and this is Community Cooks, a show where we talk about how to do food and how to just live it good. So today, what I have for you is a really good item that we digest in our bodies. It has a lot of protein, for muscle. It's really good for you. Comes from chicken, and it's called egg. So what egg is it comes from a chicken butthole. Eat the egg, but you have to cook it first in the fire. In olden times, you would use something like a flamethrower or maybe even lasers to cook this egg. Now what we have is something called, stove. What we'll do today is cook egg, and I show you how to do that. First is first, we turn on stove. Nucleus gets hot enough to cook egg. Now we wait for that. So while we wait for egg to cook, we take a moment and I'll tell you about a really good music album that's coming out called Herdish, and it's a really good songs from a band called Milk, and I heard it already. I got sent it to me because I'm what they call an influencer, and that's really great for me. So everyone listen to Herdish when it comes out in about a year or two. First things first, we need to take butter and put it in pan to make the pan liquid. This butter dish has a cow lid, which is really funny because butter comes from snakes, as we know all. So we take the butter. You hear that? That's called science. Now that we have butter in the pan, what we do is we take egg and we put egg in pan. We crack, we go tap, 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 tap. And we put egg in pan. That is the sound of egg. Maybe we spice the egg a little bit while it cooks. What I have here is something called preeper, and we put it on egg. Love me some preeper. We may also add a little salt. Now this next part is important. We must flip egg properly to cook both sides as to not get salmonella, which is disease that comes from fish. A perfect 10 of a flip, they would say in the Olympics. Now that egg is cooked on both sides, we have lovely egg in pan. Now we may eat and get big and strong muscles. Once again, my name is Pat Killeran, and this has been Community Cooks.